CO. Mona, and it comes. Lailua, you talk about trying to get Hurrell a bit of open space. Lailua's now lost the ball, and Tongan have got it. With the left there.
The battle between brilliant in the first half, and certainly went off at half time, had head in there. One-on-one battle that they had in the opening 40 minutes.
Washing machine off. Who's going to be?
It's 2-10 all at some stage of this second half. This crowd will go absolutely crazy. They will go chant for chant. To that. Fence. I think CO. Not quite sure which arm it was in there that reefed the ball loose. 3 in the tackle. Yeah, only the way it's on.
Look at it. There's arms around as he falls. Away there for the world, Sukamanu.
He certainly didn't have complete control of it. Hurrell took the first one. Lundy takes to the centre field now with Vetti, who's been good off the bench. For the Tongans, they are in the zone here, 15 metres away from the line. Luani across field, Lailua here, with a juggle back into the banana. And look at Lailua. He's dirty after that previous mistake. And makes a big tackle. There'll be a penalty though. Tongans get them back to back. Qatar's got a smile on his face. Now the tap from Luani and on for Fayoso. 9 metres away from the line. Tonga, 4 minutes into the second half. Trailing by 6. Lovely step. Samoan back with the ball. They're trying to get to the 20 to take the tap. The left man was on drugs and just went all over the joint. Zigging and zagging and zigging again.
Well, he'd done the hard work, Siwa Takiaho, and got himself into the in-goal area and basically threw the ball away. He's having to get it down.
There's the man there. And what about trying to find the 20? He was going all over the joint trying to find the centre of the 20-metre line. Play it is. Chance to bomb. They decide to run. And they will run. Folatelli, his kick is intercepted there by Lailua here. He's having a good night for Tongan. An early run. That's a very Warriors-like play. Better than the couple of errors we saw in the first half. Now to Villa. Football this year, he did his knee at training. It was Sue. The 2 number 10s.
Gee, he flew out of the line there, Suaso Su.
Now do kick a tee. Oh, hang on a second. This is from inside the 40. This will be a Tongan tap.
Well, Tau Mogan, I don't think he realised and doesn't play fullback that often, but certainly there had to be a bit more urgency from him. He had a chance to make sure he got to that ball then. And there's the kick from Langy, well inside the 40. Moga. Oh, well, it might have got away from him a little bit quick. I might have been too hard on him. He was just moving a little bit slow, but probably wouldn't have got there anyway.
But international rule, the scrum rather than the tap that we have in the NRL, which is the Clayton's quick tap. So they have the scrum feed, as we used to have the rule. That is the international rule. As Lailua here goes across field, links up there with Qatar, forced across field. Samoan Qatar has knocked it down. The hand was suspended above the the try line. As the Tongans and the Samoan fans held their collective breath. Murdoch-Masila with the ball. 4 from the line. We expect an all-star centre confrontation tonight. Qatar leads that at the moment. It's been wonderful.
Leads it by his play too.
5 from the line. Slow play the ball. Rilani. The Tongan fans go up here on the Gold Coast. They can smell a try. Takiaho goes to the right side. Lungy with the ball. Maguire's over the top. Tackle 26 for the night. Paywall the man down low. Last play for Tonga. Lawler here. That comes back on the try to Fuller. They will check the challenge.
Cheers. Well, that was tackle. Yep, I have a try.
Well, it did. First, when Lolohea kicked the ball, I didn't think he got enough height on it, and the Tongan chase wasn't going to get there, as we make sure that all the chases are on side, which is correct. The ball's up in the air. Matautia, terrific effort from Whenua, just to push the ball back. Tufua's waiting there. Just has to get it under the ground now. We've just got to make sure this goes backwards. Comes off the hands of Matautia, then on to Whenua. I'm happy to say that he's pushed that back.
I'm with you, Brandy. I think the eyes have it, but our opinion probably doesn't matter at all. It's the video referee, Steve Chitty and Luke Patton, and they're having a very close look at it. I thought first replay was enough to say try. Now we're looking at the put down of Tafua. There's no problems there. He knows it.
No, that'll be good, Andrew.
The Tongan fans get ready for their chant, their cheers. You'll hear them back in Tonga. 10-8 is the score. We're only 8 minutes into the second half.
And that's all off the back of the 40-20 from Semasoni Langi. Great kick. Found Tonga short. Samoans did a good job to recover during that set because Solomon Qatar went within inches of scoring, had the arms suspended over the try line. They dragged him back. And it looked like Samoa were going to survive until really the effort from Mahe Whenua to get to that kick, because the kick from that what was as high as I thought it needed to, but Mahe Whenua, a real effort there to get his hand to the ball and play it down for George Tafua.
I think Semasoni Langi's thinking, well, look, if Tim Simona's going to take 98 seconds, I'll see if I can get the 100. And he's placed that on the kicking tee like he was placing a raw egg. He did not want it to fall over to the side. So it's a well-placed ball.
I think it's leaning to the right.
Well, there you go. Well, the former goal kicker, Brent. This is from 21 out. And a 14 in from touch to get us all square. At 10 all. There we go. The kick. Oh no, it's off to the side of the uprights. That's the way Brady said it was leading there.
He's leading to the right.
Oh, what an eye.
He's been enough time.
You should be a goal kicking coach. Forget Halligan and the rest. It should be Brandy. Andy Raymond's sideline.
Vossi, I just got a text message from a mate.
That's a lovely news. A lovely interjection there. Andy Raymond's got it all covered up.
He's had a long day in the sun, Andy.
There we go. I think the Prince comes back. Prince Charles said during the week he was hoping for a good. Did he get a little bit of inside mail about a bet? Would that be a scandal? The Royals have a bet on the sex of a child with a little bit of know-how from the ultrasound. How good would that be? Charlie, there's a few extra dollars. And the Commonwealth and the Empire and all the rest. There's one on the puck. Good luck to him, Lily Marsh style. As Tonga are in possession. And now, Blue on, here they come. straight through the line and offloaded to Lungi, and it takes a good tackle from Tongan. They are stringing it together. Last tackle, numbers, Manu's over. And just like that, Tongan's in front here. That 11 minutes into the second half.
It's in full, they trailed at half time, and what an opening 10 minutes it's been from the Tongans. Back rower, and then the quick play the ball, Samoan to Qatar, who, it's a knockout win so far to Qatar, and it doesn't matter who he's coming up against. He's nice ball, the hit and spin. He was able to break free the tackle from Latelli. Singamonu, the Tongan captain, who was, well, just so pumped to get across the line for his team.
Singamonu scores the try. Scored a double for Tongan against Scotland back in 2013. Doesn't get too many tries these days. 14 tests with New Zealand in his career, and now representing Tonga.
Yeah, that was quite a ball from Siwa Taukei'aho. The offload to Penny Terapo.
The Terapo support was great too. He's at full speed. And change of kicker. Solomon and Qatar to have the shot. Sean Johnson, obviously the first choice kicker at the Warriors. Townsend would be the second. I don't know where in the pecking order Qatar is, but he takes the duties tonight for the nation of his birth. And now the Tongans, they celebrate even more.
That might have moved him up the pecking order a little bit. He's had some sort of game. Solomon Qatar getting the extra two. What a set off the back of the try from George Tafua. He grabbed one in the following set.
Well, the overall possession, Randy has swung around in his second half too. Now it's Tonga with 52% of the ball, and their completion rate now at 17 of 24. And tackled in opponents 20 right at the moment. They're 18 tackles each. Look at the running here as Penny Terapo fires up for Tonga.
Well, boss, if you had a look at the sets at half time, I think the Tongans have completed 6 sets with the ball in the second half, while Samoa have only been able to get through 1 set. And there's the split off position. There it is. 1 from 2, 6 from 8 for the Tongans, and they have taken full advantage of that bulk of possession they've had in the opening minutes of this second half.
Well, here's another set. Now we get up to tackle number 5, and look where they are. They're 37 metres away from the Samoan line. This is quite ferocious, the running they're doing at the moment. They've all lifted across the board. The high ball from Lungi, it's out to the left wing. Fino, who takes ownership of it. And McDaniel comes back with the ball for Samoa. He's done some good things tonight, including scoring the try, Daniel Vito. If you need a big charge, he will provide it. They're just doing it a bit tough here, Samoa, on the back of conceding. Pat Matalia on the boo tonight. For the Samoans, they get a penalty. That can be the ebb and flow of the game. Momentum shift. Pulled up there.
And both those Tongans a bit slow to get. Injured himself in a couple of tackles earlier. He's cut through an enormous amount of work. 25 tackles, 9 hit-ups. Oh, that's a poor comment. I thought that live, but pretty obvious on the replay. No Tongan hands in that one.
What an opportunity. Look at this, 20 metres away from the line. They lose. In the right corner. Samoan's 15 away from the line. And here comes Lasone, and he's given the treatment by the Tongans defence. It was Luani, it was Murdoch Basila. Samoa left side to Mavano, little double pump, and there's Cassiano. He's so big they can't make a number for the back of the jumper. And now comes out for Vito. He's 5. Beautiful ball from Moga, and they're over it. Captain, my captain!
They strike back. Vito was what created that try. Vito, he was heading across the sideline. Frank Pritchard, the skipper for the Tongan, scores down one end. Monch Cassiano, the South Pacific atoll he is, look, and just forces it out there. Moga passes to Vito. Vito goes forward. He's going across the sideline. There's 5. Another Tongan defender. He's going to pass no matter what. Big Sam. Just somehow gets that ball over the top.
Yeah, you could try it now. I'm hoping for Fecky to get into the game tonight. And denied a try in the first half. He's got one now. The move for Penrith, it seems an awful long time ago. He always had the big smile, Frankie. Win or lose, he'd have this big smile when he came off the field. And now he's a captain of Samoa. He's been a co-captain at the Bulldogs.
No doubt at times through his career, Frank was one of the most devastating back.
So right at the moment on Samoa. Is it Sunday yet? It's a big one though, isn't it? He can take as long as he likes. This is with 23 to go for 16-14. He goes halfway back, steadies and watches, then adds another cup. So here he goes. 10 in from touch. What a second half this has been from 10-4 to Samoa. When you're ready, Tim. And he lets fly with a kick out to the side of the post again. There's no hook, there's no fade from either kicker. 14 all.
He might have to try something.
Grasshopper. You go down there and you preach the gospel to him. Quicker, my friend, quicker. 14 all. 22 to go. Fox Sports, Super Saturday. Fiji over PNG earlier. And a win of the Junior Kangaroos tonight as well, or much earlier in the afternoon. And Timbo Goyarawa, the young Parramatta forward, was man of the match in that game.
Perfect. I said at half time, I thought the Tongans might have been able to get the job done. I'll stick with that, but almost nothing yet. This has been a good set off the back of points. Joey Leilua brushing away a number of Tongans to get the ball away to Frank.
Now he's giving the referee a goal pull after his team get a penalty.
Just the referee said, calm down, Frank. They don't often see Frank Pritchard.
Where's that smile?
So, they've been doing it all day, sir.
Just settle.
Well, that was penalty on tackle 4-2. That's going to put some pressure on this Tongan defensive line, who, through that last set, just looked like they were really struggling to get back.
Mindset was not penalty. Get your noses in front. Throw a bit of heat back on the other side. CO in a dummy half. 15 metres away from the line. Samoan's in possession. So Samoan takes him to the right, and it comes from Italia. Limited opportunities tonight for young Pat. Quick play the ball for Leilua. Cassiano across field, links up there with Lasone. But then Lou cut off low.
Tackle 4, well, no try. Can you check for grounding here? Possible strip there, mate.
It's over to Chintz again. Chintz is having a busy night.
Well, we've thrown up a lot of things there too. Possible strip. He's got no try though. It was a quick play the ball, and off the back of that, Sikamanu had his back turned. Sio just dives at the try line. Gee whiz.
See if it's a strip, then it could even be a try. But it's been set upstairs.
Lasoni, or it was Kafusi, sorry. Kafusi got in underneath. This Sio doesn't get the ball down on his second attempt.
Scramble of bodies there.
So it's fallen out. Hang on. Of course, you're allowed to strip the ball while the player's trying to score a try. Well, he's just not going. No, I'm not going to say that. I'm not going to say Kafusi has stripped that out.
No.
Lost control of it.
And if that is the case, so let's first of all confirm the decision. No try against Samoa. And knock on short of the line scrum. No 20-metre restart. I think in Michael Sio said that was the last thing. We've confirmed one thing tonight. The Teletubbies are in Tongan. They've had a good fun night. The fans of both teams, and in fact all teams tonight.
On the field, he's offloads and he's ball playing.
Get in there, Tui.
Bind them in. Look at that Tau maker at the back there, binding them in.
That's all right.
Tonga's got the ball, it's all relative, but that's all right. Lawler here will play it. So inside their 10-metre zone to start this Whanua. Sideways by Cassiano. Wouldn't that be an ugly moment to look up, and there's Big Sam coming at you. Now with Kafusi. Big reps on him out of Melbourne. Almost back. Suffered a knee injury back in round 2 playing New South Wales Cup, the match up in Bathurst for Penrith. Not as much football as he would have liked this year. And that's been a bit of a pressure set there from Tonga. They started like a house on fire in their second half and were making 60 and 70 metres in sets, but right there they've had to kick from their own 30.
It ran out of juice in that set. As they have in the last couple of defensive sets, they really have struggled to get back to the 10 and get off their line. The Samoans aren't having much trouble turning them around as Vito takes the ball forward, but good strong contact there from Kafusi.
19 minutes to go. Super Saturday on Fox Sports. Maguire goes wide and over the dummy half for Simona. Mo was there in defence. Called to play it, Simona, so milking for the penalty. It comes with Dominic Peyroux. I think he's eligible for about 5 Pacific Islands for Test football. Last tackle for Samoa, and the bomb is good. It'll come down for Feki. Samoa Feki, my man has got it. Beautiful take. And that takes a bit of mental strength right there.
I feel good for him. Well taken, Lolo here, the footwork into some space.
Keeps it alive and away for Qatar. He wants space, he finds Maguire in defence. Wonderful, wonderful counter-attack by Tonga. It started with a bomb take from Samoa Feki. Oh, yeah, no, that's into Leilua. That'll shorten you up. 39 metres from the line at 14-all, 18 minutes to go. A match that has lived up to expectations. They're all playing like it could be their last match. Takiaho plays it. Now Lungi, right side of Lungi. Captain has been strong. Both captains have been good. Lungi loses the ball. There was a corner strip. It was one-on-one. He's got it back.
Huge call.
Tackle Cadbury starts. Conrad. Mainly did one. Harrell is held by Pritchard and also Tumababe. Feki, Lungi, centre field it comes. Murdoch Basilla. They have a collision with Kafusi. Almost in front of the posts of Samoan. There's a penalty at 4-all. Quick decision, Brandy. What do you do?
You take the two. You get yourself into the lead at 16-14. The way the goal kicking's been, well, they don't come any easier. They've been under the pump, the Tongans.
It's a test match. Let's not remember, they're not just putting on a friendly here for show. The crowd want tries, and they're actually booing the decision. There's probably some Tongans in there, but it is a test match. And Tonga are looking to improve their world ranking. They're outside the top 10 at the moment. It's the strip. I think he knocked it on.
I think he did too. And in terms of the strip, I think as he was falling down the tackle, the man with the ball, Sikamanu, the ball's just... Well, he's had it play though. But I think he might be a little... From their last try. Close to the 15-minute mark, and you should take the Tongans 2 points clear.
Right, look, it's an easy kick, but no sure thing. Just the pressure of the coach and Samoan Akana, he's got it, and I'm happy for him. And six. Randy beat Tonga pretty much. Have a look at it. They've come in ties the whole bit. Haven't they got some moves? Andy Raymond, can you compete with that? Can we get you on camera doing some of that stuff? Come on, Andy, up on your feet.
I am the worst on the dance floor.
Saturday night, Fox Sports. There we go. Oh, for Kafusi bounces off. So Tonga with possession. Murdoch Basilla. He's almost back to the 30. Then Murdoch Basilla is the run back from the kick-off. So he's in what could have been a shoulder charge. Anyway, Cummins was just looking off to the side, and that's fine by me. As the ball comes away to Mo now, he's up to halfway. Tongans up by 2, 14 to go. Almost time to kick again. Murdoch Basilla with another run. And trapped by the defence, 40 metres out. Mayru over the top. Last play, what do they deliver? They go for a kick along the ground. Getting across is Moga. The chase is all there. Effective in defence.
Tongans will get themselves 2 points. To work it out of their own end.
Now Samoa spread it out wide. The tournament, he'd be one of the players most likely to create something from a long way out. I'm not quite sure who that player is here. I still think if they can get some quality ball to Joey Leilua, he may yet play a part in this result.
Well, I know Tim Simone is playing.
He lost it over the shoulder. Play on. Metres away from the Tongan line. Tackled by Nanamas Louis. got through 21 tackles off the bench with Wyland's the count with 32 tonight. Yahoo for Samoa with 29. Tongan out working left side. And Mo is with the ball 5 short of halfway. I'm sure they don't think 2 wins it. They need more than that. The penalty got them in front, but they're not comfortable with that. You'll look up at Pritchard. He's wrapped up 45 metres away from the line. Last tackle now for Tonga. And the bomb will come from Lawler. Hey, look at this! He's launched running away in space. Nowhere to Harper catching it. Tonga's almost come up with an amazing try to Fanua. From the height of the kick that was picked up by satellites in space. Scored the most amazing of tries.
Well, it was Fanua on the George Tafua try, and that one he tracked it the whole way to the in-goal area.
What kick for Lawler here. I know Johnson can kick him high, but maybe he's been giving a little school for the two in Lawler here. We've been having competitions or something. Now Maguire on halfway to Mavave. They go left side. This is Dynamis Louis. He's offloaded. Litelli, he's bounced away from a couple. A few troubles with their jumper numbers tonight, but I can assure you that is Ricky Litelli. 30 metres away from the Samoan. They can't find their line. Foot's Lawler here. Dominic Hayworth. Right there. That has stopped the Tongans in their tracks.
Well, they were flat-footed and went out the back from Frank Pritchard. The support play were even standing in front of the ball, the man with the ball. We were wondering who was going to be able to pay room. Terrific footwork, great fend, and enough speed. Batting attempt to make that tackle, but a huge moment for Dominic Payne.
What about the look on his face when he breaks into open space? Yes, indeed. Dominic Payne. He represents Samoa. Well, I don't think it's over yet. Don't worry about that. 9.5 to go. Don't think that Samoa is delaying things here. The Samoans are going back into. He's having a shower out on the field. I mean, you want to feel refreshed. That's your first tip, Brandy, from your goal-kicking school. Is first of all, have a little, maybe shave if you can, to freshen up. He's done that. He's got the towel out there, the water bottle. Was the clock stopped for all of this? Sure, it has.
Yeah, clock stop.
Was the try scored? We've got the try being scored 1 minute 43 ago.
Well, he's had a shower, as you see. He's had a tub.
He's had a tub. He's had a top out here, though, Tim Samoa. And now he'll have a shot from 15 out. They're back in front by 2. This is for 4 in front. He's pushed them left and right tonight. He doesn't appear to be one who has any bend on the kick. He's blocking his tee shots. And now 2 minutes 12 after the try being scored. Technical charge. Alrighty, Tim. Samoa for Samoa. 60. And again, he's got the push. He's blocked it. He's missed the fairway again. Well, he's tried everything. He's thrown the mouth down there. Maybe, I don't know. One boot off. One hand over the back. I don't know. 4 tries, 1 goal for Samoa tonight.
That's only 2 points. The lower here gets us underway.
That was 159 seconds. That was a bright one. That included the top. But 159 seconds we've got that from the try being scored to the shot when Boot struck ball. And Isaac Liu is with him. 22 metres away from their own line. 8.5 to go.
There's still plenty of time on the clock.
Absolutely. Oh, no, lost, and the penalty goes to Samoa. Cummins puts his stamp on it, the referee for Oso.
Well, so is he rude? Was it
I don't know what the penalty is.
Well, either he was offside or it's play on, because Maguire he was a bit slow at a dummy half. Once he's taken a step away from the ruck, it's game on.
I'm with you. And Matilli with the ball for Samoa. Just inside the Tongan half. Look at that clock, 7.5 to go. Pritchard with the ball. The Tongan fans willing one more try from them. And for Samoa, one more try might do it. Although, no certainty to get the conversion. But there is Samoa with the ball. I'm not sure if they've got another kicking option here. I think
he's hurt his ankle.
Oh, that's not good. Well, that could force the issue if they do get a shot at goal. He's thrown. He's made a fine fist of having to wear the 7 on his back here.
He half got through the Tongan defence there, and that extra effort there, Taukeiaho over the top and just got his legs caught underneath. Just in that second effort, kicked out of one of the defenders.
Yeah. This is 30 metres away from the Tongan line with his little hold up, and just under 7.5 minutes remaining. Let's hope he's okay. West Tigers fans watching closely. Jason Taylor, tentative, I would think. You're looking at this. The call. Oh, that's disappointing again for Tim Simona. He doesn't want to go off, you know that. We're into the championship minutes here, and no, hang on a second. Hang on just a second. I think he's building up to a match-winning kick. 30 away from the line, and now he'll have to walk back and play it if he's staying on. Ruled out. Now back in. Good on him. Look at the ball. Oh, he's lost it. Look at the Tongs go. Look at how he gets it. What about the feeling tonight? They've rushed in. Every player has rushed in to congratulate Samoa making an error.
Yeah, just not one that he makes. Isaac Liu, he went through all last season without. I think he made a couple of errors the whole season, but that's all. And that one's still plenty of time, as we see Tim Simona. He was brave to play the ball, but you didn't think he was going to be much good to carry on for the rest of the game.
He changed it scrum. He's quite obviously injured. We're talking about the welfare of players. So they're basically lining up at this scrum one man short, with Simona waiting on the sideline. They can't make the change. This is a ridiculous rule that you can't replace a player at the scrum. And we do things to care for the welfare of players, why we would not allow that to happen when he's quite obviously injured.
The Samoans just trying to get their defensive line set to make sure they're not outnumbered, with Simona on the wing.
Well, you've got to cut that way, don't you? Cassiano's going to run on the wing. Look out! Sasaya Feki looks up.
He headed back in field quickly, didn't he?
Good shrewd play. Play of the night. Feki on halfway for Tonga. 6 to go. 18-16 for Samoa. Fayoso big meters. Now they will come the left side. Yulmaria will come home into the hands of Qatar. Offloads there for Tafua. And that's a sliding defence across there by the Samoans. Tonga 25 metres from the line. Mahu's there. Always has got a bit of footwork. Still on the quiet side tonight. Now top the 20, last tackle. What's going to be the play? It's the low kick from Lawler here. Hogan's got it covered, takes no chances. Interesting hold on him there from Manu. That was shades of Fletcher and Hindmarsh right there.
Just fell a bit too far away from the defensive line there from the Tongans. Really didn't commit anyone from the Samoan defence. Chase wasn't great. Telly, the numberless Ricky Latelli gets some metres out of dummy half.
The numberless Latelli. Will Smith, Alexander. There's a Maguire, gets it on. Oh, strong defence over the top. Fayoso on Cassiano. Richie says, please send me. There's so much to aim at of Sam Cassiano. Great cut. It's a tough game. It's a brutal game. He's 130k running at you. He's close enough to 2 metres tall. He's going to say, play on.
Is it because we only got one ref? It's an international game. That would have been a penalty 10 times out of 10.
That's the boss rule. Over the weekend. People are blind, don't they? Let the passion rule.
I don't mind it.
And again, Joey, he goes the ground option to finish with the ball. Gee, for a side 2 in front. They wrapped that up, didn't they? You've got to kick long and you're the team in front. You don't want to be running it on the last inside your 30.
No, the 20-metre grab is not the play, and to get a penalty.
What's happening?
You'd be going for goal.
Sick up.
But
Solomon over Tata, the kidneys.
hang on. The call is coming from the bench, I think. What have they got?
This one there.
Real confusion there.
There's a mark there.
Inside the final 4. They've actually wasted valuable time in trying to make up a decision there. It probably cost themselves 30 seconds. Well, here it is. You wanted passion, you wanted emotion, you wanted a close finish, you got all 3. The Tongans with a goal. Vete is 15 from the line. A gripping test match here on the goal. Takes the right side. This is all over it. It's a blue rash. 8 metres away from the line. That's Manu. It's a slow play the ball. It comes up. Takiaho and then for Lawler here. Floats it out for those 2. Is amazing! Sam Cassiano! Or is it a shoulder charge? What are they going to do? Sensational moment that may have a sensational conclusion.
Well, Lawler here held the ball up. He got for I didn't know it was Sam coming across. He got himself in front. He just blocked him from scoring. He just got himself across the try line and denied Tafua an opportunity.
That is amazing. And it's Pritchard who takes him over the sideline. Cassiano's intention is shoulder charge. I think he's missed him, but as you say, he's become the human roadblock. And a big one at that.
Well, he has. He's just stopped any chance Tafua had of getting to the try line. Sam just threw himself across. I think he had plans to take Tafua into the grandstand,
but
he's missed him.
He's missed him, and Tafua still almost gets it down. That is a great rugby league moment. Have a look at this. Combined weight of these 2 coming across is about 740 kilos. And Tafua, the corner post, rest in peace. Extraordinary play. I don't think I've ever seen 2 bigger men in a cover tackle situation than that.
Well, how did they get themselves there? How did Cassiano and Pritchard both get there when the ball goes across the line? No try.
It's two islands. It's two small islands that moved across.
And unless it was those two players, George Defoe gets up. The strength of George Defoe stopped like that.
An extraordinary moment here. 3 minutes from full time. And Cassiano in the tackle. For the exaggeration. I tell you what, it's probably realistically 240k. Or possibly 250k.
There he comes off the replay box. He's had enough, and who could blame him for having a rest after that? I think he's won his team the game with that effort.
Well, don't lock it up just yet. Pritchard, and comes from now. Honest performer again tonight, the Dragon. 30 tackles next to his name as well, Lisa Armour. Last tackle, Samoa. I think they're looking to take it out of play here. And it is Tongan. Gee, doesn't go long. He only been off 3 or 4 minutes with the kick.
Very conservative from Tongan.
Well, it's huge field position. They'll move in to pack the scrum. 30 metres away from their own line.
Line properly.
How many we got the scrum? We've ended up with a 7-man scrum there at the finish. The clock has stopped. Cassiano wants back in. He's bought some more chips. Tonga will have a scrum feed. All right, here we go. There's 93 seconds to go. There's not enough time for a Tim Simona shot at goal, but there's time for a try. 30 metres out from the Tongan line. The line is set right. Conrad Hurrell would love the ball. Love a bit of open space to run. Tackle number 1. On Whenua. Hurrell now has the ball. Lots of Samoan jumpers. Hurrell goes back in field. Gets over to 40. Tackle number 2 now. Called the player. Tonga will roll forward a little further. Albert Vete has done some strong runs tonight. On the burst that time. 5 into the Samoan half. Now Takiaho. Inside the 40. Tackle number 4. There's 1 minute to go. They'll look to come to the left side. Lorna here goes short. Armour made the tackle. Lorna here's got it back for Tonga. No restart of the tackle count. Now under Conrad. Now he's got some space. Conrad Hurrell back in the field. Payroll getting over the top. Last tackle. He's been hurt too. Well, the clock will stop. Well, hang on. He's holding the side of the face. There's a chance to look at a replay. What if it shows a high tackle?
Well, I think he's just copped a poke in the eye. Payroll hit him hard as he was falling into the tackle. Ronnie Palmer, the trainer for the Tongans on the field. Back against the grain he went, Conrad Hurrell. The legs tackle from Suaso Suan. He just falls straight into it. Now, I've seen penalties given for that in the NRL because even though Payroll played very little part and just went forward and Hurrell falls into it.
Say it again, Brandy. It's a brutal game that we love.
They're going to play on.
It's going to be last tackle. 20 metres out. 36 seconds on the clock.
Maybe that threshold has been raised already. So Greenberg spoke about in the week about players and penalties, players taking dives. Now, there's no way he's taken a dive. There's been contact there.
Well, it's got to rattle every one of your teeth, hasn't it? The impact. George Defoe, he's inside his own half.
He's 35 metres from deep from the play the ball. He's got 35 metres to make up.
You reckon they're going to go left? You reckon that Joey Lelou is ready for it out of that right side? Have a look at this. This is strung out. The man in red. And the straight line in the blue is Samoa. Conrad Hurrell, the worst for wear, is coming off for those final seconds. And this is the quintessential example of last throw of the dice. A build-up for it. They've got their formation as they wanted. Tell you what, if they went short side effective, that'd surprise us all. It's Luani at dummy half. 20 minutes out. Here we go. Tonga hold their breath. Nice work for Lola here. Then almost obstruction. Lola here comes back. He's working towards 50 side. Manu's got the ball. Sandwich between defenders. Samoa just too good there. Just too good. They scrambled. And Sikamano was caught with the ball.
Got 10 seconds to go, Samoa. And you have to hang on to the ball now. Lola here, who has been impressive for the Tongans at fullback. Field after almost running behind a player. He created some space for Sikamanu, but the Samoans, in their desperation, were able to get there and shut him down. It was Ben Murdoch-Masila with the injury this time. Well, he's got the leg caught under, or he's got his ankle caught under one of the Samoan defenders.
Oh, what a sad end here for Tonga with Hurrell off and now Murdoch-Masila off. I've really been giving care. League year. For providing when you get it at home.
Sports. Every week, they're back. Live at 6:30. 3 nights a week. NRL 360 on Fox Sports. It's time. One destiny. Long roads. And here. Mayweather versus Pacquiao. Live tomorrow from 11 a.m. on Main Event. Order now. You're watching Fox Sports. This program is classified PG. Parental guidance is recommended for viewers under the age of 15.